Hello guys, my name is Ujjwal and I am a CAT 2022 aspirant. It has been last 6 months since I am preparing for CAT and for proper guidance and strategy I have joined online based coaching named Ekoching. Ekoching is something which I was looking for and every student looks for in a coaching class. My search has my search has been ended on e-coaching as I got everything I was looking for. I have joined e-coaching and I have joined their live class course in which I generally get the daily life class of respective subjects, whether it is VRC, LRDI or quantitative aptitude. The faculties are very much helpful and friendly who teaches with a student friendly methods. The recorded lectures are also just amazing and fabulous as a student can learn on his/her pace by them. The most loved feature of e-coaching which I love the most is MMT, which is Make My Test. E-coaching students have the facility to give the Make My Test and to judge their preparation by their own and anywhere and anytime. As a student can give a topic and a subjective or a mock test on the basis of his/her preparation, and I personally think that this is the best way to judge one's preparation. I regularly gives MMT and regular doubt sessions are also taken by the respective faculty of their subjects, and the practice material provided by the e-coaching is just amazing and up to the CAT level, which is very good. If I want to give the ratings, I would like to give 5 on 5 stars to e-coaching because they tick all the boxes in my view and they are the best in the industry. So I think which is very good, and this is all about the review for e-coaching. So very much thankful. Thank you.